Listen students, we have completed our first unit and the second unit is going to start here. The first poem of the second unit, that is You Start Dying Slowly. Open your book, page number 42. The poem is given here. I will read line to line and explain to you. Okay, first line is, if you do not travel. If you do not travel means you are not going anywhere and only study at one place. If you do not read any book, here is given, if you do not read means you are not learning anything and reading books. If you do not listen to the sounds of life. What are sounds of life? Means enjoyment. Sounds, maybe sad sound, happy sound. If you do not appreciate yourself, there are nobody that we are waiting for, anybody would appreciate you. That is you only that appreciate yourself. Means we must appreciate ourselves first, then other will listen or notice it. First we must appreciate ourselves. If you do not do all that things, you are not reading any book, you are not going anywhere means not traveling and appreciating yourself, then you are dying slowly. Dying actually you are not actually dying. Here is the we can say hidden meaning, that if you are not doing all that things, then you are not living the life wholly, happily. Okay. Second stanza, what is saying here? When you kill your self-esteem, highlighted here. Self-esteem is self-respect. Everybody should have the self-respect. If we don't respect ourselves, nobody will respect. First, you must give respect to you. How? You must do your work or whatever you are doing, it should be in a good manner, in a good way. Then you will respect yourself. If you are not respecting yourself, when you do not let others help you, what happens generally? In society, we are living in a society, we are social people, we are human beings and we need the society, which every person is depend upon others. Okay, every person is depend upon one another. Means we go to the shop, we take something, shopkeeper go to another big shop, he gets something from here, there. Means everybody is depend one on another. So we must take help from other people also. If you are not doing that, then you are going to die slowly. If you become a slave of your habits, slave, गुलाम, तुमच्या सवयीचे तुम्ही गुलाम झालेले असाल, if you are the slave of your habits, some people have the bad habits in society, we can see. We must not be slave of that habits. We must have the control. We must have the control on the bad habits. Means we have the soul. We have the you can say our mind is diverted to that bad habits. But we must control yourself. We must not be slave of that bad habits. But if you are the slave, then you are dying slowly. आजच तुमचं मरण सुरू झालेलं आहे. If you become a slave of your habits, walking every day on the same path, and त्याच सवयीकडे तुम्ही चाललेला आहे, you are walking on the same path, then you are dying slowly. If you do not change your routine, तेच ते सुरू आहे, तुम्ही तुमचं रुटीन बदलवलेलं नाहीये, you are not changing your work. This work is that similar, but you have to make some changes, in your routine life. You must enjoy the life. If you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, in surrounding, in nature we have different colors, we must wear all that colors that you like. if you are wearing only white and black and white, then you will get bored. And other people also get bored of your wearing colors. So you must try different colors. Or you do not speak to those you don't know. Many times we experience that in traveling. We are traveling in a bus and we sit in your seat and another person sit beside you. If during travel, we talk to him or her, where are you going, some questions. We make introduction with that unknown person. That is also necessary. If you are sitting in your place and do not talk any single word to that person, then you are dying slowly. If you avoid to feel passion, you must have some passion of anything you like, but you are avoiding of that passion also, then you are dying slowly. And the turbulent emotions, turbulent, unsteady, which is not steady, that emotions you are avoiding, then you are dying slowly. Those which make your eyes glisten, lightening, and your heartbeat fast, you start dying slowly. If you do not change your life, you are living a routine, dull life, not changing that, then you are dying slowly. When you are not satisfied with your job, whatever job you are doing, you must be satisfied with that job. If we are living in a house with our family, we must be satisfied. If we are not satisfied, then we are not living happily, means you are dying slowly. Or when you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, if you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if you do not go after a dream, you must dream something good and follow that, then you are living happily. But if you are not dreaming and not following it, then you are dying slowly. If you not go after a dream, if you do not allow yourself at least once in your lifetime to run away from sensible advice, always do work with your brain, take decision with your brain, but sometime we must listen to our heart also. Means through this poem what we get, we must live our life happily. We must enjoy the life, but it's not it doesn't mean that you do not study and only do the enjoyment throughout the life. If you do the enjoyment and not study, then what will happen? You will fail in the exam. Means all things are important. You must study as well as you take enjoyment from the life. If you are not doing all the things in your life, then you are dying slowly. This is the theme of this poem. Then I will make you write the appreciation of poem in next video. Okay.